Now let's start with arrangement of leaves. Today we will see arrangement of leaves. What is arrangement of leaves? The arrangement of leaves on a stem or its branch is called phyllotaxy. What it is called? It is called phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is arrangement of leaves on its branch and stem. Arrangement of leaves on its branch and stem is called phyllotaxy. Now there are three types of arrangement of leaves on its branch and leaves. It is alternate type, opposite type and whorl type. In alternate type, what happens? In alternate type, there is only one leaf arise at one node. Here is one node, successive nodes, then third and fourth, like this. Here you will see only one leaf is generating from the one node, and there is another leaf on the successive node on opposite direction. In successive, in this continuation, the third leaf is on third node with again in opposite direction. This is called alternate node. Only one leaf arise from each node. The next leaf arise from the successive node in opposite direction. This type of phyllotaxy, alternate phyllotaxy, you will find in plants like mint, peepal and China rose. When you will watch these plants, you will see this type of arrangement of leaves on the branch. Now next one is opposite. In opposite, what happens? Each node is having two leaves but in opposite direction. The leaves are in opposite direction. Here is one node, the leaves are in opposite direction. There is successive second node where is the leaves are in opposite direction, and then again in third node these leaves are continuously in this arrangement. If this one is first one, this one is second one, this one is third one. The third arrangement is equal to the first arrangement, and the second one will equal to the fourth arrangement, which we will have here. Okay, so this type of opposite arrangement you will see in the examples of the plants is guava and jasmine. In these plants you will find opposite arrangement of leaves. And the third one is whorl arrangement. In whorl arrangement, more than two leaves are arranged or attached at each node. These are arranged in a whorl. There is a stem, and you will find at each node the leaves are arranged all over it, like this, at each node. And more than two leaves are attached at each node. This type of arrangement you will find in plant Nerium, which is called oleander. It is the name of plant Kaner. In Kaner plant you will see this type of arrangement. The leaves are spiny leaves, and you will find three leaves arranged, three, and in some plants more than three numbers at each node. This type of arrangement of leaves you will find in this plant, and the arrangement of leaves on its branch is called phyllotaxy. Now venation of leaves. The next topic is venation of leaves. There are two types of venation found in plants. Now first of all, what is the venation? The arrangement of veins in lamina is called venation. What is this? Arrangement of veins in lamina is called venation. Now, as you have seen in my last video, I have explained you structure of leaf. This portion is called lamina, and this is midrib. These are veins, and again these are divided in small branches. These are windlets. So which type of arrangement of veins is in lamina is known as venation. So arrangement of veins in lamina is called venation. There are two types of venation found in leaves. The first one is reticulate venation, and the second one is parallel venation. In reticulate venation, veins and veinlets are arranged in the lamina in irregular shape. As I shown you the people leaf last time, here it is like this, and in irregular pattern is present here. Irregular distribution of veins in lamina. This type of arrangement is called reticulate venation, and you will find this type of venation in people, mango, guava. Means mostly in dicot plants you will find reticulate venation. The irregular distribution of veins, veinlets in lamina, this is called reticulate venation. And in parallel venation, the veins run parallel to each other. Veins run parallel to each other. Here I am drawing. As you will see in the leaf of banana, it is midrib, and the veins are arranged like this in parallel to each other like this. When you will see the leaf of banana, you will find this type of venation. The veins are parallel to each other. So example, you will find parallel venation in banana, in grass, in maize, wheat. Means in mostly monocot plants you will find this parallel venation. So this time what we learned here? Arrangement of leaves. There are three types. Arrangement of leaves is on its branch and stem, it is called phyllotaxy. There are three types of arrangement of leaves: alternate, opposite, and whorled. And venation of leaves, arrangement of veins and lamina is called venation. There are two types of venation: reticulate and parallel. Reticulate venation, irregular distribution of veins in lamina. You will find in people, mango, guava. Parallel venation, veins are parallel to each other. You will find these in banana, grass, maize, wheat, monocot plants. Now, you tell me what is the difference between alternate, opposite, and whorled, and what is the difference between reticulate venation and parallel venation with examples. And after that, now we will, in next video, we will cover the functions of leaf. Thank you.